Now let's see how we can install apps using Linux command prompt. I'm using Debian distribution, which uses apt package manager for installing applications. Let's install tree application, which shows drive structure. To show application, type apt show application name. To search application, type apt search application name. I'm looking for this application. Now let's install this application by using sudo command. Sudo apt install application name. Wait few seconds. As you can see, tree application is now installed. We can also view its manual pages. We can update all the applications by using sudo apt-get command. It will take some time to update all the applications. We can also update Linux distribution and system applications by using sudo apt-upgrade command. It will take some minutes to complete. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.